Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move a row in Excel. So first we have to open an Excel sheet and let's say we want to move this row to this row or this row, whatever you want to. So just what you have to do is click on the row and press the shift button and just um, keep this here, this button here, or this our cursor here until this pointer doesn't appear. So let's try. Now just drag it down. As you can see, it's moved here. Until this pointer is appeared, we have to do it. So this is how we can do. So please, if you find this video useful, like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.